It's been great. It's been a really great experience so far, putting music together, bouncing ideas off each other. I know them all in different capacities, but it's the first time for me to really play with John and to play with Tom, and it's been a joy. It's like an unspoken language that people who've been performing and touring for many years understand about each other. But really for us it was actually narrowing it down to what would we decide to do, because the possibilities are pretty endless.
Well, Muireann kind of was chatting about that when we went for lunch. We were talking about like how our music came about individually, and you know where we're from and how we have lived. You know, what part of Ireland we're from kind of dictates how and what music we play in a certain way. And so it's kind of interesting that the songs kind of are indicative of that. One song of mine that I've written is kind of from the North Carolina region, like that has that kind of old-timey feel that I since I lived there, it has that feel. And then, of course, Muireann and Pauline live in Dingle, and they're Gaeilgeoirs, so they have beautiful Irish songs, and so that's going to be a kind of a highlight, I think. Tom, of course, hails from Leitrim, so there's Leitrim tunes. And so it has a very specific kind of feel. Each one of us brings nearly a different county to the set.
I'm tired and sick of wandering, and I need you here.
Well, I was on a Music Network tour before, years ago, a long time ago now, and I've gone to see lots of them. It's gorgeous because you bring people who might not even know each other. I mean, I was lucky we all knew each other, but it's a beautiful opportunity to step outside of what you normally do and bring new songs. We all brought new songs that we haven't recorded or played before, really. So it's a nice thing to dig into your own material, and it's a nice thing to really branch out and play with people you've never played with. I'm looking forward to singing songs with pals, which is gorgeous, always really nice. I'm looking forward to the camaraderie, and I'm looking forward to getting out around the country as well and meeting people and seeing people, and there's such a lovely geographic spread of gigs. It'd be really nice to go out at that time of year in September, and I think there's such a wealth of experience brought to this particular group of people that it has knitted together really lovely, so I'm really looking forward to that.
When these engagements happen, it's a chance to do something that's pretty unique for the four of us and may not happen again. So it'll be of a moment. We'll create something that we think is good and worthy to come and see, and come and watch it because it might not be repeated.